Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I'm from the Bodhi Academy and I take your 9th standard maths classes, and today's topic is coordinate geometry. Okay, now coordinate means the coordinates, the points, okay, and the geometry means their line, their whatever this shapes it is making, whatever shapes they are making. So in the lower classes, in the class 8, you must have learned what is x-axis and what is y-axis. Only that, this much only. X-axis, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and here you mark 1, 2, then 3. Graph papers are all provided to you, so you have to use them only. Okay, this is just roughly I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If suppose I want to mark, okay, one point which is 2 comma 3 on this graph paper, on this graph. So this first point is always on the x-axis, second point is always on the y-axis. So 2 is your x-axis, so I'll just make here a dotted line. Then 3 is from y-axis. Okay, so I just intersected them. Then 2 comma 3 you have to write here. So this all we have learnt in the lower classes. Now we will have to extend this x-axis and we'll have to extend this y-axis. Now what is the extension of this is negative numbers. You must have seen number line which you had from 5th standard. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -1. Here you have 0 comma 0. On the right side of the 0 there are positive numbers, and on the left side of the 0 there are negative numbers. Same way here, y-axis, if we look it from here, no, it is right side is all positive numbers, and here left side it is all negative numbers. Okay, -1. So this is your x-axis only, this is your y-axis. If I want to mark the point of 4 comma -1, see this, what you do know, if you like tend to get confused, you just mark it x, this you mark it as y. So this is your 4 is your x, right? So 4 and okay, 4 and y is -1. You have to see where is -1, y on the y-axis, where is -1 here, right? So you just have to extend it and you have to mark the point 4 comma -1. Okay, so this is one point. Then we will go to solve the and always this x-axis is called abscissa. Okay, abscissa, and y-axis it is ordinate. So if I see that my dash is my abscissa, so 4, this 4 point is my abscissa and this ordinate is my -1. Okay, you can see this example. Okay, this is quadrant 1. See, yeah, this is called quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, 3 and 4th quadrant. Here you have all the plus positive numbers like 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5, all the plus points, plus coordinates are there. Then here you have minus comma plus, like -2 comma 3 is there in this quadrant, second quadrant. Third quadrant you have all the negative, because here x-axis is negative and here y-axis also is negative, no, so negative comma negative, and here you have positive comma negative. So this you have to understand. If you are like, don't need to by heart this, whenever you imagine, no, that time only you get this. Okay. Uh, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical axis drawn to determine the position of any x-axis and y-axis? Then what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? That is called quadrant. Just now explained you, right? That is called quadrant. So there are four quadrants. At the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Okay, see, this line and this line meets at 0, 0. So this point is called origin. Okay, here from this we have to name the coordinates of B. The coordinates of B are, see, from here to from here, my first is x-axis, right? This is x-axis. So minus 5, comma, y-axis is 2. Then minus 5, comma 2. The coordinates of C. Coordinates of C is from here. X-axis is 5 and here it is minus 5. So 5, comma minus 5, because first you have to write the x point and then y point. So 5, comma minus 5. Then the point identified by the coordinates minus 3, comma minus 5. So this is minus 3 and this is minus 5. This is E point. So point E. The point identified by the coordinates 2, comma minus 4. Now 2, comma minus 4, you can see it is here, right? So 2, comma minus 4 is this point, which is G. The abscissa of the point D. Now I told you abscissa is a point from the x-axis. So of D, D is here. So here 2. So 2, comma 6 it is. So D it is 2. Abscissa is 2. The ordinate of the point H. H. Now H I told you is from the y-axis. So ordinate it is, this is minus 5, comma minus 3. So it is minus 3. The coordinates of the point L. Okay, here L is, okay, L is on the y-axis, see here. Now here, now always on the y-axis x point is 0. So if the point x-axis is 0, so 0, comma this is 5. So it is 0, comma 5. And M it is, see here on the x-axis y point is 0. So it is 0 here and this is minus 3 here. Okay. So minus 3, comma 0. Now this is all regarding your exercise 3.2 and the introduction of coordinate geometry from the lower classes. For more information, this part 2 will be there. Just see and now just share, like and subscribe our channel, the Bodhi Academy.